2019 BMW F850GS Adventure. I'm selling 7,900 miles. It's got the highway pegs, charging cable, saddlebag, Touratech saddlebags. I'm throwing in the Givi top case, and I got a description of all this stuff down below here in the ad. And moving around, we've got saddlebags. I put a pad on. Bike sits up a little more upright, a little more stable. That stays on. Highway pegs. These are actually Darla lights. They're not the BMW lights. I went with the upgrade of the Darla lights. It's got the adjustable windscreen. That's the original windscreen. And if we come around, we'll do a cold startup. If you want to come around this side, can't even get the dash. And okay, and here we go. This is a cold startup. I'll run through the screen real quick. So, as you can see, 7,954 miles, and let's scroll over using the whiz wheel. And I just had the oil done not too long ago, so you've got 4,400 miles left on the oil. The year date is August 27th. And okay, we'll go back up to the main menu and do a quick startup. That's it. The powerlet is here. I did have some ram mounts up on the handlebars, and that's it. Yeah, give me a call, text 224-288-8182, or send me an email at through Cycle Trader. And that's it. All right, thanks.